2020 for Ford Mustang GT First Drive Review, a wild ride with American muscle. The Ford Mustang has long held a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts, evoking memories of carefree summer days and iconic road trips. The latest iteration of the Mustang GT continues this tradition, boasting a new 5.0-liter V8 engine, sleek design, and an array of modern technology. Despite facing a dwindling pony car market, the Mustang GT manages to captivate with its quintessential American charm and exhilarating driving experience. In this first drive review, we explore the powerful performance, sophisticated tech suite, and overall appeal of the 2020 for Ford Mustang GT. The beast under the hood, equipped with a new 5.0-liter V8 engine, the Mustang GT exudes power and performance from the moment it roars to life. With an impressive 486 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque, this pony car is designed to leave a lasting impression on any enthusiast. The optional high-performance package further enhances the driving experience, offering an adrenaline-pumping ride and a thrilling exhaust note, driving dynamics and performance, while the Mustang GT delivers a fun and exciting ride. It faces some challenges in terms of handling. The overboosted and light steering may not inspire confidence during corner entries, and the front end lacks the desired feel and stability. However, the car compensates with ample grip and giggle-inducing G-forces on tight corners and straightaways. The Brembo braking package adds impressive stopping power and excellent modulation for a well-rounded driving experience, comfort, and technology. As a daily driver, the Mustang GT offers a smooth and comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and road imperfections with ease. The front row provides good lumbar and thigh support, striking the right balance between comfort and sportiness. The new tech suite, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.2-inch touchscreen display, impresses with its crisp graphics and user-friendly interface, attracting tech-savvy enthusiasts. Design and interior, retaining its classic Mustang elements. The GT model features a unique front end with slanted struts and larger bumper openings for enhanced brake cooling. The cabin boasts quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces and carbon-look trim appliques, providing a sophisticated yet sporty ambience. The Mustang legacy, despite a shrinking pony car market, the Ford Mustang GT stands strong as a symbol of American muscle and tradition. While competitors may offer import cachet, the Mustang's allure lies in its builder, with enthusiasts dreaming of thrilling drives and unforgettable experiences. Conclusion: the 2020 for Ford Mustang GT lives up to its legacy, offering an exhilarating ride and timeless appeal. With its powerful V8 engine, striking design, and advanced tech features, the Mustang GT remains a compelling choice for pony car enthusiasts. Though it may face some handling challenges, its undeniable American charm and driving thrills continue to make it a cherished part of the Mustang story.